Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. We're doing some stuff today on the drift car. We've got a prac day on Sunday. It was meant to be a mini comp, but didn't get enough entries because there's also Matsuri on the same day weekend. So, got a fair few things to do. Went drag racing and this last night. You guys would have seen that video. It didn't go too well, but I don't think I showed this. So, sprayed the turbo and glittered it. It looks bloody awesome. But I put a bucket seat in, which I don't think I showed last time, but I got to raise it up. So I got these little clamps here. So I'm just going to TIG weld these to it, and then one will bolt to the rail, one will bolt to the chair to raise it up. Hopefully that right amount. So I'm going to get them TIG welded, and then I'll show you the end result, and we'll get it bolted into the car. So, I'll give you guys a bit of an update. 411 mini spill diff is in. I didn't bother filming that because I think I've filmed twice already pulling a diff out. It's pretty boring. And then I picked up this exhaust for $100, 3-inch diff dumper kind of style thing. So, in the videos, I was way too quiet. You couldn't even hear it. I didn't want it to be too loud because, you know, disgusting mag noises. But yeah, so this is where we're at. So I'm going to lower it down and then start it up and see what it sounds like. Sorry, the GoPro decided it didn't want to film or save the film video for what the exhaust sounds like, so I'm not going to film it now. It's been after the drift event. You guys will just have to wait till next week to see what it sounds like. It's bloody disgusting. I think I'll keep getting back into what we're doing. You know when you just get in the zone and then you just get a lot of crap done? Well, that was me last day. So once again, I didn't film and we're jumping ahead, but I'll show you guys. So to start, got a switch panel wired in. So your main power, that's like the everything on the keys. And then I put in some gauges. Of course, this wants to pick up a lot of light. Let me just change them. All right, that might be a bit better, at least see the gauges. So I got some gauges there. Those ones are, can't even see that because of the flicker rate. I'm going to switch back so you can see all this stuff that I painted. There's no point, you can't even see, but it's the same stuff that I sprayed the turbo in. It looks like it's all flaky and dirty, but it's actually sparkles, glitter, whatever you call it, multicolours. Yeah, you can't see it. Once again, camera does it no justice, but in person it looks pretty cool. Hopefully you guys will see it when I've got the GoPro set up for the drift day. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, so get everything in that I need. Can monitor the actual water temp, oil pressure, voltage, vacuum boost gauge for when this gets the turbo on it, and then the wideband as well, so I can keep tuning it as an A, and then obviously when it's turbo as well, I'll have that. So at least visually see, because I will have a wideband going into the ECU then. Bucket seat, don't know if I showed that before, but bucket seat's in. New Wheelwood Master, so now the handbrake actually works. It pulls the car up nicely. I don't think it will lock the wheels in a straight line, but as soon as I'm a little bit sideways it should lock the wheels. We'll test it out there anyway. Didn't get time to pick up a second seat. It's a bit of a drive, it's like 45-50 minutes. I don't have time for that. And I didn't get time for harnesses as well, but that's right, that gives me stuff to do on another video. Harnesses aren't a requirement for the next drift day, so that's all right. Still got heaps of space, so when I get a new seat, some better quality than this one. So this one not being passenger, and then this driver's one here. Sorry, the new one will be the driver's one. I might still lift it up a bit because I did raise this since before, but it's still a little low for my liking. Maybe needs to go up that much more. I got plenty of headspace, so yeah, we'll see. I'm going to start editing this video and we'll see how much time has passed. Rightio, so finished editing what I had, like I said just then, or a couple minutes ago, and we landed about 5 minutes, so got to extend it. What we have here in this box is one of the next mods to go on the drift car, which anyone here with an Ecotec, an L67 or a turbo Ecotec, this is something you're really going to want to know. So I'm going to open it up and we'll talk about it, because this will be one of the future videos coming very soon. Alright, so I'll just open the box so you guys won't see my address. Here it is. It was packaged in this, so I'm going to get rid of this now so we can see. And here it is. So this here, hope you guys see. This here is an LS coil driver. It will suit many different things from what I've read, but mainly to suit our DFI plate, so we can get rid of our coils, run LS coils, have a spark cut, and also it will have two-step. What's really cool about this is the guy here who designed this. I won't say in this video yet because I'm going to do a video just on this where everything will be released and where to buy it, how to buy it, and I'll get in contact with him to find out the pricing. But this here means you can run LS coils on your Ecotec or L67. Obviously you have stronger spark, you can have spark cut, you can have launch control, so you can get all those wank factor pops and bangs that everyone likes. Spark cut's better for the pistons as well because it's not cutting fuel, so you still have fuel in there to keep them cool, means you won't melt them. But yeah, this box here will be bloody awesome. So I'll be doing a full wiring video on this, installing, getting the car running, setting it up. And originally what I was actually saying, the cool thing about this though is he has also designed an app that works on your phone where you can set your I can't think of a word now, your limiter, what RPM you wanted it, and also your two-step, so you don't have to do it by bridging out wires. You can do it by that as well, but you can also do it by an app on your phone or tablet. And I believe as well it's got a gain setting, so you can make how aggressive it is. Obviously if you make it too aggressive you can hurt some things, especially the valve train. But we're coming over here to this horrible cluster of crap. I've dug out my LS coils here back from when I first put EcoJet on the link. So I've got my harness here, so this here I can wire to power and ground and then into that coil driver box. Got the rest of my original link coin there, which is disgusting, but I'll neaten that up later on for the drift car once we put the link on that. I also have all my leads here that I made to suit these and for the length, so that'll be all ready to go. So really it's just wiring that box in, which will be absolutely awesome. Yeah, what's also good as well about this box is he supplies all the pins, so you can terminate your wire straight into it. I believe these green bits here are blanks, so you can put the blanks in there, which then makes this here, when we turn that, makes this 100% waterproof. So you can mount this in your engine bay and not have any issues with oil, coolant, washing the engine bay, water from the road, puddles, etc., damaging this. And this isn't plastic too, this is metal. This is a metal enclosure, so that's bloody awesome. So I can't wait to install this and put it in. If I have time, I'll get it in before the next drift event, because I do have drag racing on the Wednesday I get home, Friday roll racing, and then Sunday will be the drift event if I manage to get tyres. Otherwise, if not, it'll be the Monday, Tuesday afterwards I'll be doing the video on this. So it'll probably be 2 or 3 videos, 4 or 5 videos from now. So 4 or 5 weeks from when this video comes out will be when this install here and all the details on it. So keep a keen eye out for that. I'll be spamming everything, like the video for this and the details about it, all over Facebook and all the groups like I usually do, so people don't miss it, because I know that this is something that has been highly sought after. So I'm going to end this video here. If you're still here, I appreciate it. Yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video where we go drifting.